All right, good morning, YouTube. Getting ready to head to the shops to start the day. But first things first, Alexa, Bravo 6, going dark.
Roger that.
I love that Alexa thing. That thing's dope. But anyways, let's get to the shop. Let's go.
Tacos today. Free tacos always taste better. Always taste better. Ain't that right?
So I made a bet with Freddie on the Saints game. We were playing the Raiders, and the bet was lunch. You see what he's wearing. He wore that on purpose today. He didn't wear that by accident. He knows what he's doing. So I owed a man lunch today, so we're getting tacos for lunch today. I'm a man of my word. But we're up at the shop now, so let's get the day started. First cut done, you've seen the waves. It was popping. On to the next one. This fool was supposed to be here Saturday and didn't show up, so now he wants to get squeezed in today. Gotta clean up my station first, though.
Are you doing videos?
Yeah. Let's go.
I could be like your salesman for haircuts.
Not really, you're not convincing him.
Yeah.
You suck at your job right now. You gotta convince this fool to be like, you know what? Hell yeah, more time. Alright, Travis is here. Just cut the little homie Nick.
It's not bad. It's good.
The Red Bull cut, you know, where it just flips under the hat. Checking out the JZX.
Nah, that's not for us.
Checking out the JZX. What's up with the high chews though?
Dude, don't.
It's life.
My car's a mess, bro.
High chews are life.
Dude, the essentials.
You gotta record the
This
back
guy.
of it, 'cause that's nasty back
What's
here.
back here? So what's up? You gonna send? You gonna give me a burnout or what?
Yeah, let's go.
Who's the owner of the place?
You got to do it on your way out though.
Yeah, I know.
Like do that, burn the block and then dip. Oh, I'm gonna shut this door real quick. Hey, Dennis, get Bella.
Bella, come here.
She's gonna do a burnout.
Bella, come here. Come here. Come here.
Hey, wait for Bella to move. Okay, you're going on YouTube, so better not let me down. And good luck if the police come. So,
Huh?
I said good luck if the cops come. So
Yeah, my buddy stopped there. He says, you know, I don't know where you're coming from. Come on. I want to show you something.
hey. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Oh my goodness, that's funny. All right, so the time has come to pay my debts. We gotta go get tacos now. So I gotta run home real quick and pick up a package, and then we're gonna get tacos. I'll show y'all the best beauty spot in Southeast. So stay tuned. Get you your damn tacos. Yeah, all right. Whatever. Oh well. It's the best birria spot in Southeast for sure. So about to get some tacos, and I'll show you guys what they look like when we get back to the shop. Let's go. All right, YouTube, so we're back at the shop now. Got the tacos, consomme right there. So Freddie got the spiders. Got the pineapple drink with the chamoy on there. And then I got the horchata, you know how we do. But yeah, about to smack this down and then get back to the day.
Wait, pass the legacy.
What?
Wait, pass the Legacy, brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Let's watch that one.
The back row out.
So let me see.
Maybe do tomorrow at 2.
So we're doing. Is that Machine Gun Kelly?
Yeah.
Oh, that's disgusting.
That was when he was filming the Motley Crue movie.
Terrible. Okay, so we're doing the sides here,
Yeah.
right? And then what do you want to do on the top?
I mean, we can leave it and just like show me how to style it, or we can. I mean, we can cut it if we can.
But you want a mullet though,
Yeah.
essentially.
Yeah.
So you want a fire mullet? Okay.
Yeah.
So Ashton, come here. All right, we did the mullet on Ashton. Do the spin around for me. Oh yeah. What do you think? You like it?
Yep.
Hell yeah. Woo. Oh yeah. All right, Ashton. I'll see you later, bro.
See you later, bro.
Take care of yourself, right?
Yep.
Our young Connor, last haircut of the day. Why don't you give me a spin? Let's see the fade. Spin around. Oh yeah. Crispiness. Crispy, crispy.
That was the worst spin ever.
That was a weird spin, Connor, but I'm not going to judge you. All right, so today it's the end of the day right here, so I'm logging off for the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the burnouts and all the extra fun things we did today. We got tacos and all that kind of stuff, so check out this new monitor I got. It sits on top of my camera and shows me extra clear footage. So anyways, got to clean up my station, end the day, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.